Click on search emails. Now it's searching for the emails right from my spreadsheet, and just one click. That was easy, wasn't it? Huh? If you're looking to find emails right from your Google spreadsheet, the process is super easy. First, you just need a spreadsheet that has at least the first name, last name, and company name or the website, either or works. And you can install an extension called a Find Email extension from Scalelist. So we're just going to go to Extension, Add-ons, Get Add-ons here. We're going to search in the Google Workspace Marketplace. The extension is called Find Emails in Sheets by Scalelist. So Scalelist is one of the best email and phone number finder out there. They also have an extension that you can add on any of your spreadsheets. So simply click on this one here, and you can click it on admin install. That means it's for your entire company, or you can do that just for yourself. So I'm just going to do individual install at this stage. Then you're going to choose the email that you want. I'm using the Scalelist email that I have. Continue. Okay, allow. Just follow through the process. Just simple to allow basically your spreadsheet to connect to Scalelist. So, okay, this is done. Now I can close this and I can open the extension again. You're going to see here on clicking on extensions, you have Find Emails in Sheets by Scalelist. You'll open it. And there's a simple setup to do. It will ask you to add an API key. Simply, API key is a connector between your Scalelist account and the Google spreadsheet. So what you need to do is you go to scalelist.com, create a free trial account. You'll be given a certain amount of credits, and you can create an API key. It's a simple process. I'll show you how to do this to connect with your Google spreadsheet. So right here, once you're logged into your Scalelist account, just go on the left-hand side here called API. You're going to click on new key. I've already got one, but once you click on new key, you will see a new key will be created. So that's a new one here. You'll just copy it. Okay. You can copy this. You can see that the key has been copied. And once you go back to your spreadsheet, you can see here the section that says, okay, log in with your secret API key. Just paste it. Okay. Save. And that's all. It will automatically connect your Scalelist extension with the spreadsheet here. So right now, it just tells me, okay, I want to map all columns. So first name column is A, last name column is B, company name is C, and company website is D. You can switch them around. I mean, you can put whatever you want. My table has headers. So the first column is a header, first name, last name, company name, and website. So I'm going to keep that ticked. Now, the process is very easy. I'm just going to click on search emails, and it's going to search for emails of anybody here. So click on search emails. It starts processing. Clicked on search emails. Now it's searching for the emails right from my spreadsheet, and just one click. Now in a matter of minutes, with a total of 39 leads in my spreadsheet, it found a total of 35 emails, out of which 32 are valid. Valid means that the email is safe to use, and 3 of them were marked as risky. Risky means that the email may exist or not. It's unverifiable. It's up to you to choose whether or not to use it. That was just done in one click. Note that I was just charged 1 credit per email found. The verification, so valid and risky, is included in the credit, so it comes at no extra cost. And if no email is found, I'm not even charged a credit. And that's it. You can easily find anybody's work email right from your spreadsheets without downloading them and adding them into any tool, simply with the Scalelist extension. If you're looking to export your LinkedIn connections and also find their emails in the same way, I've left this video here that shows you how you can do it right from your LinkedIn account. Over to you, and happy scaling.